Amina's village had dusty roads, tiny houses, and old bicycles instead of cars. She had never even been inside an airport. Some people in the village had never even left the valley. But every night, Amina stood outside her little house, looked up at the stars, and watched airplanes fly across the sky. Amina, thinking, "One day, I will be on one of those planes." Her English was weak. She had no money for classes, but her dream kept whispering, "Try, just try." Amina found an old smartphone that barely worked. The screen was cracked, the battery died fast, but it could play free English videos. Every morning before sunrise, she sat under a tree, put on her cheap earphones, and repeated simple phrases. "Hello, how are you? Welcome on board. May I help you?" Some villagers laughed at her. "Villager, who do you think you are? A flight attendant? Impossible." Amina lowered her eyes, but not her dream. There were days when she felt tired, days when she had to help her mother in the fields, days when she wanted to give up. But every time she heard a plane in the sky, her heart spoke louder than her fear. One evening, she told her mother,
"Mama, I want to fly. I want to see the world."
Her mother held her hand and said,
"My daughter, you don't need rich parents. You only need courage. Go follow your dream."
Months passed. Her English improved. Her confidence grew. And then one day, everything changed. A big airline announced open interviews in the nearest city. Amina's heart raced. The ticket to travel there was too expensive, but the whole village came together. The baker, the school teacher, the neighbors. Each person gave a little money, villager said.
Go and make us proud.
The city was loud and bright. Tall buildings made her feel small, but her dream made her stand tall. During the interview, the recruiter asked,
"Why do you want to be a flight attendant?"
Amina took a deep breath.
In my village, people think flying is impossible, but I want to show that nothing is impossible when you believe in yourself.
A week later, Amina received an email. Her hand shook as she opened it. Her eyes filled with tears. Her dream had come true. She was selected. A few months later, wearing her new uniform, Amina walked through the airport for the first time. The girl who once studied English under a tree was now welcoming passengers with a warm smile.
Welcome on board. I am here to make your journey safe and enjoyable.
And so, the girl from the small village finally touched the sky. Dreams do not belong to the rich or to the lucky. Dreams belong to the brave. And you are braver than you think.